Hey guys, today we are going to see how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So basically cache is a very unwanted memories, occupied unwanted memories. So this memories takes so much space and making our system slow. So let's see how to clear this. First check how much memory the cache is occupied. First check, go to Task Manager and click performance, click memories. Here you can see 6.2 caches is occupied in RAM. So we should clear this. Let's see how to clear this. Here this is a Microsoft RAMMap website. So please check the description. I updated in this website link. And guys, please subscribe this Skillify channel. Each likes, each subscribers, each comment, which will make me motivate to upload more useful videos, guys. First I download, click save, go to this, the file is downloaded, go to this folder, here extract, once the extract, click go. Here you can see, here is the biggest file size, so I just click here. So I click run as administrator, click yes, click agree. Hey guys, I want to show you in live the cache is cleared. Here I install the RAM map, click empty, go to empty standby list. Yes, the cache is cleared. It's nice. So after this cache cleared, so I preferred uninstall the RAM map software. Don't be installed in this unwantedly. If you want to clear this cache, you can install. Otherwise, you'll be uninstall the software, delete the software. That's it, guys.